The WISELIFE multifunctional tote bags can be used as a storage basket to organize toys, books, CDs, or to carry and organize laundry, cleaning supplies, art supplies, scrapbook items, and schoolwork. Perfect way to organize clutter. The storage tote also works as a reusable grocery bag to carry groceries and fits well in a shopping cart to organize while shopping. Also perfect for packing picnics and snacks and carrying supplies for the beach or camping. Organize items in car or trunk. Collapsible, easy to clean. This shopping box bags can be folded up flat for easy storage when not in use. Sturdy cardboard bottom ensures that the tote will not shift when in use and will remain open and upright in car. This water-resistant foldable reusable shopping bags are easy to clean. Simply use a wet cloth to wipe off dirt or debris and let air dry. Rigid structure, large capacity. The eco-friendly reusable tote bag is made of heavy-duty non-woven water-resistant fabric reinforced and stiffened with a durable recycled cardboard insert on each side, ensuring a rigid and erect structure when opened. The durable rigid design makes totes easy to stack without folding or shifting in a car or trunk. The strong reusable produce bags can hold up to 33 pounds. Each tote measures 14 inches by 11 inches by 12 LXWXH volume, 30L. Purchase includes a set of 3 totes. Easy to carry. The reusable utility tote bags have short side handles in addition to longer wide shoulder straps to ensure comfortable use, even when carrying a heavy load. The shoulder straps are sewn down the side of the bag and reinforced with metal rivets for added strength. The thick side handle and rigid construction make it easy to pick up the tote from the car, grocery cart, or shelf for quick access. Reusable, eco-friendly. Our heavy-duty reusable bags are convenient for grocery shopping. One reusable bag is equivalent to 1,000 plus times of using plastic disposal bags. The kitchen reusable grocery bags are a wonderful alternative to single-use plastic bags that are not recycled, and frequently pollute waterways and other public areas. Choose a fashionable and eco-friendly way to protect our Earth. Keep folded storage bins in your car and at home for emergencies or outdoor activities. Top reviews from the United States. Very sturdy. I love these bags. Now that NJ has a plastic ban, I had to find something for my groceries. These bags are a little pricey, but well worth it. I did a grocery pickup and the store handler placed all my groceries in the bags in my trunk. My order was very large and I didn't think 3 bags would do it. He was able to put 4 family-size cereal boxes and canned goods in one bag. He placed an entire watermelon on another bag with other fruits on top. I thought, why would he put a watermelon in a bag? Well, I carried that bag in the house and the straps never gave in. I was super impressed. I ordered 3 more sets for my family and friends. I went back a 5th time and found some with a similar description but 20 bags per order. Well, need I say I had to send them back. They were all ripped upon arrival. I will be ordering a 5th set of these for myself.